Hello dear fans. The tallest statues in the world. The statues are of great importance in the history of the culture of the planet Earth. They were erected in honor of gods, rulers, various historical events, and even animals. Some architectural structures are amazing in their size. Sculpture Buddha Spring Temple. The tallest in the world is the statue of Buddha, located in the village of Jiaozuan, China. The height of the structure is exactly 153 meters, including the pedestal. The construction of the statue was completed in 2002. The construction of the Chinese was prompted by the simply barbaric act of the Taliban, who destroyed the statues of two Buddhas in the Bamiyan Valley. Shakyamuni Buddha. This statue is located in Myanmar. The height of the building is 130 meters. The construction of the amazing monument took 12 years. The Buddha's clothing consists of giant gilded plates that workers lifted and fastened by hand without the aid of any technique. The building was opened in 2008. Usuke Daibutsu. Located in Japan, namely in the city of Ashiko, height 120 meters, the construction was completed in 1995. At an altitude of 95 meters, there is an observation deck, which is visited by more than 3 million tourists annually. Christ statue in Almada. Built in Portugal in 1959 in gratitude for the fact that Portugal remained unharmed during the Second World War. The total height of the structure is 110 meters. The pedestal is about 75 meters high. An amazing architectural structure is located in the suburbs of Lisbon. The unique statue is made not only by the size, but also by the fact that it was built entirely on donations from the people. Motherland calls statue. This great monument is located in Russia, namely, in the city of Volgograd. This is the tallest statue in our country. The height of the building is 102 meters, the construction lasted a little less than 8 years. Interesting fact. The model for the creation was a 26-year-old waitress from Volgograd, Valentina Izotova. Construction of the monument was completed in 1967. Thanks for watching.